If we don't sleep enough, we have difficulty in remembering things, difficulty in concentration. So certain cognitive functions decline. Certain learning abilities are preserved with adequate sleep. In addition to that, certain hormones, for example, cortisol, it is suppressed during sleep, which is important because you need to cut down all that energy and preserve that energy to carry on the reparative processes. So sleep is very important, and this is the basis of sleep. So certain things slow down, certain things completely stop, and certain things continue to work as they would. Heartbeat, blood pressure has a natural dip in sleep, heart rate has a natural dip in sleep. So imagine your heart has to work 24/7. You can't stop it, but it has to slow down. Your blood pressure has to dip down, and sleep is the most important time. It's a vital time during which these physiological changes happen. So that is the basis.